This is Tuck with Tuck GC. Today I'm looking at a project that we just finished up. It's not quite done. Two things. The driveway is going to be done by H&H Paving, hopefully soon. We had a big well project and a bunch of grading going on, so they're replacing the driveway when that's all done. And then they're going to bring the driveway level up to even with this step. But right now, this is where it sits. So we'll also come back in 6 months. Techo-Bloc recommends letting these pavers breathe for 6 months and then coming back and hitting them with a flow cleaner as needed. So some of those white spots you see on the pavers is just that effervescence that we'll be removing at a later date once that 6 months passes. But this is a beautiful design. The walkway started up at the top of that landing originally and sloped down. You could see that's a lot of slope. It was definitely a hazard. So we added in that secondary step, plus that second step / landing, added in that vertical stone presence, that beautiful dry set stone. We did a Marlowe color paver in the middle to kind of go with the bricks, and then that champagne gray color to kind of tie in with the brick and the mortar as well. And I think the color match is just spot on, spectacular, without going back with a traditional brick. They did something a little more modern here with this Techo-Bloc. Now we did come in and demo out the walkway, pour concrete, put a mini footer system all around the wall below the angle iron that was there, just to hold up that wall stone a little better, since that stuff was showing its age at about 40 years. Stone goes the whole way around. We put the pavers underneath the trim. Again, once we do that final flow clean, I'll come back and caulk all that and then pay attention to that threshold. We're one of the few companies that comes through, cuts those old, ugly concrete thresholds, and then replaces them with the stone or the pavers. So check back later when this thing's all finished and cleaned up. But this is a nice little project we just finished up in conjunction with a large-scale trenching project over there. This pavers was actually done about a month ago, and we were just waiting to come through and finish up this trenching before we could close the contract out. So here we are. As always, thanks for watching. Give us a call for your projects, whether it's a stoop, walkway, driveway, VDOT apron, any of those type of projects we specialize in, and we look forward to hearing from you on your project. Thanks for watching as always, and take care.